Hello and welcome to the SafeSend Gather video tutorial for Kirkering Barbario. You may use SafeSend Gather to securely upload documents to KB in a few easy steps from your smartphone, tablet, or computer. First, you will receive an email from No Reply at SafeSend Returns with the subject line Action Required. Please complete your 2025 tax organizer for Kirkering Barbario & Co. If you cannot locate this email, please check your spam or junk folder. When you've located the email, you'll scroll towards the bottom to click the blue Let's Get Started button. This will open your default web browser, which will prompt you to send a code to verify your identity. After you click the blue Send Code button, a code will go to the same email that you used in step 1. Locate that email with the subject line Your Access Code from Kirkering Barbario & Co. and copy and paste the code into your browser and click the blue Confirm button to proceed to our welcome page. The welcome page is the main dashboard for your SafeSend Gather request. Please review the message towards the middle of the screen from your KB advisor, then review 3 steps to complete your Gather request and organizer for KB. First, you'll answer the questionnaire. Then you'll proceed to uploading tax documents and other documents to prepare your return. And finally, you'll complete the organizer with any remaining information which does not have a tax form. To begin, click the green Get Started button, which will take you to our questionnaire screen. For each question, you'll answer yes or no. Depending on how you answer the question, you may be prompted for more information. If you're prompted for more information, you can type your responses in the boxes, and if applicable, you may see a paperclip icon to upload documents. You may monitor your progress answering questions in the top right corner as a percentage and as a fraction for the number of questions answered. When you have answered all questions, you may proceed to the next step, upload documents. If you need more time to answer questions, you can save and close to pick up where you left off. We're going to click the blue Next Step for uploading documents. After completing the questionnaire, you will be directed to upload documents on our Upload Documents screen. In the top right corner, you'll see the number of requested documents, and in the middle, you'll see a list detailing each document requested. These are based off of your 24 actual documents. There are 2 easy ways to upload documents. You may drag and drop from an external file, or you may click the blue Choose File and select your documents. You may select multiple documents and click Open, and the upload will take a moment or 2 to process. As files are uploaded, they will begin in an uncategorized section on the right-hand side of your screen. And as SafeSend Gather recognizes the documents and matches it to document requests from last year's return, you will see a green check mark next to the document requested, and you can click to preview the file. If you have remaining files that are uncategorized, please do categorize those files before you proceed to the tax organizer. If you recognize a file matches to a tax form that has been requested, you can simply drag and drop that file to match it. You may also hover over the file name and click the edit icon to manually select a document that has already been requested. Or if this is a new document, you may click the other button and type a description of what it is. You'll click the Update button, and it will categorize this for your tax accountant to review in the other column. After you've uploaded all of your documents, if you need to save and close to return to this later, you'll click this button. And if you're ready to proceed to the tax organizer for non-tax forms, you'll click Next Step, Fill Tax Organizer. You may get a warning that it will notify KB that you have submitted all required source documents. So if you're not ready to do that, you will click Cancel. After completing the document upload, you will be directed to fill out the organizer for any remaining items which were not addressed via the questionnaire and documents. This step is optional if you've already provided the relevant forms or supporting documentation. The organizer is a streamlined version of the traditional format and includes only items which do not have document uploads. To navigate through the organizer, you can click through the arrow icons at the top of the menu. And in the bookmarks on the left, you can click on the different bookmark names. Bookmarks that we think may have a document upload have a paperclip icon to the right. A common form that you may upload would be a profit and loss statement for rental and royalty income. To upload that document, in the top right corner, you can click to upload and choose your file. It will take a moment to load, and then you can click confirm. Any other items can be filled directly into the organizer by typing in any green field. And if you need to save a note to your KB tax advisor, which is not in the organizer, in the bottom right, there is a space to do so. You'll click the blue Save button to save a note in that bottom right section. And you'll navigate through each of the organizer sections to fill in any dollar amounts that you need to. If you and your spouse are filling out the organizer, SafeSend Gather will use two different font colors to differentiate who filled out what. When you have finished filling out your section, you will click the green Finish button in the right corner. And if you need to return to this, you can click Save and Close to leave the organizer open, but not submit it to KB. We're going to click the green Finish button. If this return has a taxpayer and a spouse, you'll be given the option to send the organizer to your spouse for review to submit additional information, or if you're ready to submit to KB, you can click the blue Complete Organizer button. After you submit the blue Complete Organizer button, you'll be taken back to the home screen, which will notify you that you've completed all tasks successfully and no further action is necessary. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Please direct any follow-up questions to services@kbgrp.com or call our firm at 941-365-4617 and request shared services for additional assistance. We appreciate the opportunity to work with you and look forward to assisting you this tax season.